Boring ka ba? Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkape't pandasal muna tayo. Nung nililigawan pa ako ng asawa kong si Chris, humingi ako ng payo at gabay sa kaibigan kong si Bo Sanchez. Sabi ko kay Bo, na isang kilalang Catholic preacher and author, na si Chris ay napaka-predictable na tao. Kung wala siya sa office, nasa bahay, at kung wala naman siya sa bahay, nasa badminton court. Tumango si Bo at nagsabing, he's a boring guy. Hindi minamaliit ni Bo si Chris. Sabi ni Bo, I don't mean boring in a negative way. When you're young, you want someone exciting, full of surprises, unpredictable. But when you're looking for someone to marry, you want someone predictable, steady, boring. Tama siya. Sa 18 years naming mag-asawa ni Chris, hindi ako kinakabahan kapag late siyang umuwi sa bahay. Kasi kadalasan, 8:30, nakahiga na yan sa kama. He wakes up early every day to do his work. And he's a consistent and reliable provider and family man. Pagdating sa ating relasyon sa Diyos, kailangan din nating maging boring. We have to establish routines for our spiritual life. Daily prayer, Sunday Mass, or even daily Mass, Wednesdays or Friday novenas, weekly prayer meetings or Bible studies, Bible reading. Having habits like these deepen our relationship and knowledge of God over time. And before you know it, close na kayo ni Lord. So, boring ka ba when it comes to your spiritual life? Tayo magdasal. Lord, give me the grace of perseverance and steadfastness as I pursue my relationship with you. Amen.